Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today we are going to solve a very interesting PEMDAS problem, and the problem is 5 plus 25 divide 5 times 5 equal what? I am going to solve now. First of all, rewrite that question. 5 plus 25 divide 5 times 5. Now we should use PEMDAS procedure. P means parenthesis, E means exponential, M means multiplication, D means divisions, M means addition, and S means subtraction. So here 5 plus 25 divided, M means multiplication. So 5 times 5, that is 25. So now we should do division, because division is before addition. Okay, so 5 plus 25 divided 25, that is 1. So answer is 6. Using PEMDAS technique, we get the answer is 6, but it is not right. Wrong procedure. Okay, for actual procedure, rewrite that question again. 5 plus 25 divided 5 times 5. Now you should remember that for multiplication and division, we should do first which comes first. Here division is comes first, so we should do that term in the first. Here, so 5 plus 25 divided 5, that is 5, times 5. Now we should do 5 times 5, that is 25, and 5 plus 25, that is 30. And this is our desired answer. Subscribe our Meka School for getting that types of videos.